So let's make the main menu responsive. I'm gonna open my editor again. Here inside the container, before the container, I'm gonna add an app class. So I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna paste right here. And I'm gonna indent this a little bit. Next, we need to remove this row. This one, we don't need the columns, so I'm gonna add navbar header. And also I'm gonna add navbar right instead of the call SM8, so I'm gonna add navbar right. Here we have something like this. Next, I'm gonna add some code right here in the opening navbar header div. And I'm gonna add a button, so we add button, type button with the class, and these classes are from Bootstrap, navbar, toggle, and collapse. Next, we need to add a data toggle, and we're gonna add collapse. And I'm gonna add another space. And let's add a data target, and the target is gonna be navbar. We haven't created this navbar yet, but we will in just a little. And finally, let's add area expanded equals to false. So we need to close this button and close the button tag right here. So next, we need to create an span with the class srOnly, and this will be for the screen readers. And we add toggle navigation, and let's add an span with the class icon bar. So let's copy this and create 2 more copies. So now we have the button that is going to be the button that will trigger or open the menu in a mobile version. Here we have the team location, and we are printing the main menu, so I'm going to add a comma right here. And we're gonna add a container ID. And you can see that we added this data target equals to an ID with navbar. So we're gonna add the container ID with ID navbar. Next, we need to create the container class. And this will be a Bootstrap class. So we need to add collapse and navbar collapse. Then we pass another one, the menu class. This will be the class for the menu, navbar nav, and those are from the Bootstrap classes. And finally, navbar right. So now we can save this and reload. And we have an error. Yeah, we have 2 commas right here. So I'm gonna save this and reload. And now you can see we have the com, about, blog, and contact. And we have formatted this in a menu. That's because we are using these classes. And also, if I make this smaller, you can see it's hard to see the button, but it's gonna be right here. So you can click here, and this will open and close the menu. So now we have a responsive menu. So in the next video, we are gonna add some styling for this in order to make this look like this bar that we have in our site.